Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to find friends on KakaoTalk app without ID. So guys, let's continue into your KakaoTalk app and then tap on the people plus icon besides the settings. Now here you will get two options to add friend to your KakaoTalk app without their ID. So now just tap on the first option, QR code. And here all you have to do is just scan your friend's account QR code to add, and then go back, and the another option is add by contact, so tap on it. Now in the first column here you can enter the name of the contact you want to add to your account, and then in the second option you can here enter the phone number of your friend that you want to add to your account, and then just tap on OK, and then your friend will be added to your account. So guys, that's it, and that's how you can find friends on KakaoTalk app without ID. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.